Okay, so now we're gonna position our text. We're gonna do this a little bit at a time. So the first thing is I want to show you that this right here, this will increase and decrease the size of this panel so you can see your sound waves. So I believe when I press Command down and I take this, yeah, that's what I sound like. So that's where my aloha is. So that's up to where this timeline is, where my scrubber is, my playhead. That's where I want my aloha to be showing, and then I don't want anything else showing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this O and hold my shift key down and click on inoa, and then I am just gonna drag all of this over to this playhead. Okay, so then what you'll notice is that all disappears and I just have aloha. So what I want to do now is I actually want my aloha to be a little bit bigger than all of the rest of my font sizes. So again, I'm going to go over, well, first I need to make sure that I have that layer selected. Then I'm going to increase this font size. Let's see if I can get it to, well, let's get it to 350, see how that looks. Maybe 400. Okay. And then what I want to do is I actually want to center this. Okay, to center my text, I need to make sure that I have this align window open. So we had character open. Here's my align window. Again, if it's not there, make sure you click on window and that align is checked off. Then you're going to look for the horizontal align and then your vertical align. That'll put you right in the center. Then the other thing is I want aloha to disappear when I'm done saying it. So I already pushed all my other lines over to the side. Now what I'm going to do is making sure that I have that layer selected, I'm going to press Option close bracket, and you'll notice that that part of the layer disappeared. Now I'm going to have an error is going to pop up when I play, and I'm going to show you how to fix that error. So watch when I try to preview this, I get this strange error. I'm going to show you how to fix that in another video in case you get this error.